Hi. Dude! Hello. Today I have some Trial Japan speaker replacement kits for the ND. As some of you guys know, I have bride seats in the Miata right now, and that takes out the stock headrest seats in the ND Miata. So what this is basically a kit from Trial Japan that puts speakers into the roll hoops on the car. And they're super high quality. It actually has the OEM Mazda speakers in the back there. I'm gonna throw these into the ND and I'll pick it up there. Oh my God, peep the drip. All right, so this is the stock roll hoop that sits on here. And you basically just pry it off with a trim remover. And then you've got the open roll hoop here, which is where the new one sits on. Ethan's doing it right there. And then there's these side trim pieces that hold in like the seat belt. And so to route this wire down to the harness, which is down below the seat down there, we're gonna take off these side trim pieces to route it from up here down to the harness down there. Oh, sparkle back, real brides. Okay, no reps. And then, then hopefully it works. Oh, so Ethan just snapped in the new one. Damn, that looks good. Yeah, so hopefully that'll stay. I'm kind of missing all the clips that's supposed to keep this in place, but like, you know, it's when it dries, that's all that matters. So. Alright guys, we're gonna test out some manly music here. This is my playlist. Oh fuck, hold on. This is what we listen to. Hey, we're testing the speakers.
How does it sound?
How worth it was it, you think? It sounds good. We can hear you. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah. Anything I want to say to the Fort Touge vlog?
Yeah, Stop calling me that. Stop.
Oh my God, Fort Touge.
Stop! Ethan! That took me way too long. Oh my God. Okay. So now, I think I'm gonna be also double side taping my side skirt because this keeps falling off. The clip kind of got busted. And then it's also up at the front here. This is what you get when you drive your car hard. This is no show queen. So yeah, this thing almost has 50,000 miles on it right now. So it's not falling apart, but you know, so yeah, I'm gonna double sided tape that. No good. I need new bumper clips. Dope.
3:28 a.m.
Yo, what are we doing right now?
Just finished beating the meat.
Good meal prep eats. All this gonna be getting big. Next time you see, dude, next time you see us, we're gonna be huge.
We're gonna be massive.
Fucking
testosterone.
absolutely massive. Yo, Ethan bed reveal?
Actually, bro.
Oh, no, I can't. Ooh. Ethan's cold starting the M3. Alright, it's the next day, guys. That's kind of my first like vlog. I feel like I'm really not that good at it, but I'm kind of giving it a shot. So let me know what you think. Hopefully there's more of these coming in the future. And yeah, stay tuned.